Okay, so guys, when I open my blockchain account right now, as you can see on the screen, okay guys, you can see the amount of money that I have in my blockchain account, as you can see on the screen right now. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to be able to make this kind of Bitcoin for free. Okay guys, when I say for free, I mean for free. I'm going to show you everything from scratch, so I encourage all of you to stay to the video and watch out. I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so it's a guy Shapracity here once again. As you all know, I'm a content creator. I create content about how to make money online. So in case it's your first time here on my channel here, what I do here is that I create video about how to make money online, what I'm doing, and I'm making a lot of money online, as you can see. So as you can see on the screen right now, that's my channel. That I drop videos about how to make money online. Okay, I go to the market, find out how it is working for people. I come here and record a video about what is working for people, what people are using to make a lot of money online, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so guys, this type of video, this particular video I'm doing today is a request that I have somebody have given me that I should do video about how he or she be able to get free Bitcoin. That's when I do a research and I found the best method. So guys, you watching this video right now, what you think that what I'm doing is very nice of me, guys? Wanna what? Smash the like button. Okay, destroy the like button right now, destroy the like button right now, as you can see how I'm doing it on the screen right now. And in case you have anything, you have any question that you need to ask me in this particular video, just click on the comment section. Okay, let me just bring it down. Click on the comment section right now, and also comment below, let me know your biggest problem. Okay, and also in case you have found something that I've done something very bad in this video, give me also dislike on this video and tell me the biggest problem that I've done. I'll come and reply to all your comments, and also don't forget to share my video to all your friends and families, and also don't forget to show your boys and love by following me on Instagram, where I also drop tips about how to make money online. As you can see on the screen right now, the name still remains Shapiro as 71 on Instagram. So those of you on Instagram, check me out, and also those of you who are using Twitter, okay, Twitter, you can also check me out. The name still remains Shapiro Acid, where I still drop tips about how to make money online. Guys, as you can see, I'm having only 87 followers here, which is very bad. So guys, show your guys some love by following me, and also recommending your friends to also follow me, where they will learn tips about how to make money online, how I'm doing my things, and what they need to do, or what is need to be done to make a lot of money online, as you can see on the screen here. So when I scroll down real quick, you can see that I've been posting a bunch of videos here and a bunch of things here that is going to help you to make a lot of money online, as you can see. And also, before I forget, to those of you who are on TikTok, okay, I'm also on TikTok. The name still remains Shapiro Acid. Now here I have 181 followers, which is very bad. So show your boys and love by also following me on TikTok. And guys, the last place that I have for you before we go to the reason why we are here, okay, it's what you call the Telegram. So when I click on the Telegram, you can see that this is my Telegram group, where I post tips about how to make money online. So in case you want to join my Telegram group, you want to join my money gang, okay, you want to join my money gang, where you will know tips about how to make money online, there will be a link in the description box below. Click on it and you get. Okay guys, so with all that said, let's just go to the reason why we are here. Okay, and I hope by now you have subscribed, you have clicked on the bell icon, and you have liked this video, and you have comment. Okay guys, there will be in the link, there will be the first link in the description box below. Click on that first link. When you click on that first link, it will bring you to a place that look like this, as you can see on the screen. Okay, it will bring you to a place that look like this, what they say Binance Farm. And guys, as you all know, that Binance is one of the biggest cryptocurrency wallet in the world now, as you all know. And I hope most of you, all of you who are watching this video, need a free BTC inside your wallet. And I know before you can get a BTC, you need a BTC wallet. Okay, before you can get it, you need a BTC wallet. And I hope you watching this video right now, you know what is BTC, you have BTC wallet, and you know Binance is one of the biggest BTC wallets in the world, as you can see right now. So guys, this particular site is for Binance. Okay, this particular site is for Binance, so I may say it is well trusted. Okay, and it's well legit. But guys, as I'm not a financial advisor, I encourage all of you to do a background research on this app. As you can see, it's having about 238,000 users, and you can see the active users, you can see the amount of Bitcoin mined, and a lot of things on this app. So when I scroll down, you can see that they're having a lot of reviews and things on this app that you need to know that okay, this app is very legit. Okay, so guys, when you're here for the first time, all that you need to do is click on the register now. Okay, when you click on register now, it will bring you to a place that look like this, and here they say create a free account. Okay, and guys, as I said earlier, we're going to do everything free. You're not going to pay any amount of money. So they're demanding for my sign in, because let me just my username, so let me just give them my username, as you all know already, which is Shapiro Acid. Okay, so let me just give them my username real quick, Shapiro Acid, and they are demanding for my email real quick. Let me just give them the email real quick here, and the password. Okay guys, make sure that you provide them with the password that you will not forget. Okay, now guys, here demanding me for my Bitcoin wallet. Okay, and I know all of you here watching this video, you are having a Bitcoin wallet. All of you watching this video, you're having a Binance or TrustWallet or blockchain or any of the crypto wallet accounts. So all that you need to do is go back to there and go and copy your Bitcoin wallet and come and paste it here. But let me just show you how you do it, okay? Because I think the video I posted earlier, people are complaining of where to get their address. So those of you who are using TrustWallet, if I click on the TrustWallet real quick, okay, real quick. So this one is for people who are using TrustWallet. Okay, you can either use TrustWallet or any cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, so let me just give them my code real quick. Okay, so here we are. Then you click on what the BTC, as you can see on the BTC. So you click on BTC on the TrustWallet account real quick, and when you're here, you just click on receive. When you click on receive, to bring the place look like this, and you click on what copy, and guys, you're good to go. You have copy your address. And guys, to those of you who are also using Binance, okay, those of you who are using Binance, because I know people are using different cryptocurrency. So those who are using Binance, let me just click on my Binance app. Okay guys, as you all know, Binance is an app that have been taking a lot of time, okay, to take a lot of time before it will load. But before that, I think all of you have, by now, you have subscribed to the channel, you have clicked on the bell icon below to be notified and drop more videos, and also you have shared the video to all your friends, and you have followed me on all my social media platforms. So let's just go to the video real quick. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it to load real quick. As I said earlier, Binance it take a little time before it will load. So let's just wait for it to load real quick. Okay, let me just skip this quick. Okay, so as you can see on the screen right now that it have loaded successfully, and it's been a while that I've logged in. It's been a while. So when you're here for the first time, all that you need to do is to click on wallet, as you can see on the screen. Okay, click on wallet. Okay, I think it's loading. It's been a while that I've used Binance, so I think they will demand me for login again, because it's been a while that I've logged in here. Okay, as I said, they are demanding for me to log in again, so let me just log in real quick again. Okay, so I've logged in real quick, as you can see. So when you log in, this is how your account inside look like, as you can see on the screen. Now guys, when you're here for the first time, all that you need to do is what is this? Let me just go back real quick. Okay, I'm having some issue here. Let me just solve this real quick. Okay, let me just go back real quick. Okay, add amount. Okay, go back real quick. Sorry for this. Okay, so guys, when you're here, go to your search for BTC. When you search for BTC, you can see, then you click on the BTC that you search for. When you click on it real quick, it will come like this. As it come like this, click on what deposit. Okay, so when I click on deposit real quick, guys, Binance is working very slow. I don't know why, but I'm very sorry for that. Okay, so just click on next, and deposit now, and choose a network. So I'm just going to choose Bitcoin, and you can see this is the address here. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin address. So all that I need to do, click on copy. Now when I click on copy, all I need to do here once again is go back to where we stop. But guys, I know maybe some of you or most of you watching this video will not have any of the wallets. Okay, so in case you're not having whether Binance, TrustWallet, Coinbase, you're not having all those wallets, all you need to do right now is go back to YouTube right now. Just stop the video you're watching. Okay, just stop the video you're watching, go back to YouTube right now and click on the search button real quick. Okay, so when you click on the search button, search for a word called Shapiro Acid Binance. Okay, Shapiro Acid Binance. Guys, when you search for this word, it will bring you a video that I have done on Binance. Okay, how you can make money on Binance, how you can buy and sell on Binance, and how you can make a lot of profits from Binance. Okay, as you can see on the screen, you can see this is the video that I've done about 4 months ago, how to create a Binance account, a verified account. When you scroll down, you can see I have a bunch of videos about Binance, as you can see on the screen real quick. So those of you who is not having any wallets, come here and watch a video about how you can get your Binance account verified. Okay, so let's just go to the reason why we are here real quick. Let me just go back to where we stopped real quick. Guys, I take my time. Okay, since the video, I think the video is very long, but I just take my time to explain things to you better, that you not make any mistake and also make this your money. Okay, so this is where we stopped, but let me just wait for it to load back real quick. I think it's still loading. My password have to load real quick. Okay, so now you are going to paste the address that you have copied right now. You are going to paste it. So after you have pasted it, I have to scroll up. When I scroll up, you have to accept the terms and condition by Binance. Okay, so accept it and click on what? Register. Okay, real quick. Okay guys, when you click on register, they will send an email to you. Okay, an email will be sent to your email box for you to to verify your account. Okay, now when you're here, you can see that they are thank for registration. Use your email and password to log in. Okay, now when you use your email and password to log in, they will not enable you, or you cannot be enabled to enter your account unless you have what confirm your email sent to your Gmail. Okay, as you can see, it says the account is not verified, so you need to verify your account. So you have to wait for the email to be sent into my email. Okay, I've not received it yet, but I think it should not be that much. Let me just wait small to receive it. Let me just see. Okay, no, I've not received it yet, so I have to wait for it small. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I just received the email from them, as you can see, saying that I should verify my account real quick. Okay, let me just go down. Okay, so let's wait for it to load real quick. Okay, so it's loading. Okay guys, so this is how you receive your email. Okay, so all that you need to do is just click on the email sent to you. So make sure you click on it. When you click on it, just wait for it to load. Okay, you can see mine is loading, so I just need to wait for it to load real quick. Okay, I think let me open it in my Google Chrome. So let me change it to Google Chrome real quick. Let me change it to Google Chrome. Okay, open in Chrome. Okay, so guys, here you are. So you can see they say what okay, let me just wait for it to load. They say that you have successfully verified your account, so you click on login. So all that you need to do is click on login. So when you click on login, it will demand for your email and your password. So make sure that you provide them with the email that you used earlier. So let me just give them mine real quick. Okay, so mine is here. Let me just give it to them, and let me just click on login. So let me just wait for it to log in real quick. Okay, and guys, boom, as you can see on the screen right now, that this is how the accounts look like. So you can see my username, you can see my mining power there, you can see my BTC address, and you can also see my balance. Okay, the new account that I created with you right now, you can see the balance that we have about 0.0000794 BTC in our wallet. So when I scroll down, you can see that a lot of these things are mining for us. As you can see here, you have our miner here mining for us. And guys, we are on a free plan. Okay, we are on a free plan, and those of you who have some small bits money to spend, you can come here and buy additional horsepower so that your money power, your money speed can be higher. Okay, and those of you who are using laptop will find it more beneficial. Okay, because you can only enjoy money on your laptop. Okay, because it seems like the phone is making very slow. Yeah, when you're using phone, it will be somehow slow. So those of you who are using laptop will enjoy on your money here. So guys, this is how the app look like. And right now, if I click on refresh balance right now, you can see that my balance will be refreshed, and I'm also going to get a new. Okay, let me just refresh it right now to show that this thing is really working. So I just received, and you can see that it have changed towards 933 BTC. So guys, this app is really working, so I recommend this app to all my subscribers or all of you watching this video right now. You can see it's mining again. So in case you want to withdraw, it's very simple to withdraw here. Okay, all that you need to do is just click on the withdraw button, and if you reach their criteria or you use the maximum withdrawal, which is what 0.002, you can withdraw your money inside your wallet that you use here. So guys, this is how the app works, and I will say that this app is the best platform that you can mine Bitcoin for free without paying any amount of money. Okay, without paying any amount of money. As I showed you earlier of this video, you can see the amount of money that I have withdrawn from this app. So this app is very legit, and I encourage all of you watching this video to grab on this app right now. Okay, to grab on this app right now. And in case you want me to do a video about how I withdraw from this app, I also do a video about that, because I have my own account that I'm working with that is generating, that I'm making a lot of money, and I've actually paid for a plan. So I'm not using the free plan, but I know most of you are not having the money to pay for. So that's why I create this account with you all to see that okay, you can also make it without having any money. So guys, that is all I have for you in this video. See you in my next video. I'm out.